In this video, I want to show data exportation from the CasaXPS. So we have an icon here. So this is our data. We have a peak fitting. So there are 4 peaks. And I want to export this data, for instance. So I will click here, which will open the clipboard selection, and I will copy all the data. So I copied it and I close this window. And then I will create a text document. So new text document, and I will paste it here. So this is our data, but it is not very useful right now. So I will select all of them and I will copy it again, and then I will put it in an Excel file and Control V. So I paste it. So you can see the kinetic energy, binding energy, peak fits. So there are 4 peak fits and background. So this is the background, and this was a Shirley background, and this is the envelope. So envelope, by the way, is this gray line. I'm not sure whether you can see it or not, but maybe. So it is very close to the red one. It is in the middle. So it is not the best peak fitting, but this is enough for me. This was the video for the data exportation from the CasaXPS.